Happy Sunday everyone guys. Now I show you how I make a chicken curry. Yan. Breast, it's almost 1 kilo. And then 250 grams zucchini. And bamboo is one bottle only guys. And then I fry with fresh garlic and onion with ginger. Yeah. But of course guys with tomato paste also, but yeah, and then curry paste. I use the red curry. Oh, that is so strong, guys. And then after that, 2 can of coconut milk. Only coconut milk I mix, guys. I never mix with water. And pepper, salt, and if you want to more tasty, you can use Gimuzi Brewer. As, we find here a bio. Yan. And then that is my decoration. Yan. Yan, pinababawan natin ng ating mga decor. Yan, katulad yan. Oh, diba guys? Oh, ayan.